Imagine waking up to a computer so powerful it can test billions of passwords at once. That's the promise and the worry of quantum computing. Right now, your Bitcoin wallet is locked by math so tough it would take today's fastest supercomputer longer than the age of the universe to guess the key. But quantum machines work differently. Their qubits sit in many states at the same time, letting special algorithms, like Shor's and Grover's, slash those impossible timelines. Relax though, the fault-tolerant quantum beasts needed to crack Bitcoin or Ethereum don't exist yet, and experts say we're still years, maybe decades away. Meanwhile, researchers are already rolling out post-quantum defenses, lattice-based signatures, longer symmetric keys, and quantum-resistant blockchains ready to swap in when the moment comes. So, for now, your coins are safe, but the race is on. Keep an eye on quantum headlines, because in crypto security, tomorrow's math matters today.